how this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this I'm going to show you if WhatsApp Messenger working in this watch, that is HK900, which one is connected to original version of Apple phone. This is iPhone 14 Plus, and can we call or not? So I'm calling to WhatsApp to see is working or not. Call is working, so you can see here if I can answer or not. Put here, hello, testing. So call is working, guys, so that is good. So WhatsApp message is not working, but call is working, guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.